What's up, you guys? Welcome to the best React.js tutorial that you're ever gonna watch. So this playlist is going to teach you how to convert and level up from a basic vanilla website developer to a GigaChad React.js front-end software developer. So if you're excited like I am, feel free to like or share this video so YouTube thinks I'm cool. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so there are two things that you need to make this work. Number one is Visual Studio Code or some coding environment, and number two is Node.js. So what you want to do is go to nodejs.org and download the latest version of Node.js. And once you've done that, all you need to do is reset your Visual Studio Code and you're good to go there. I also recommend you guys download GitHub Desktop for when you commit your code, although it's not required in this series. So anyway, once we have everything set up, all we need to do now in our code editor is run npx create react app. And this is going to create a framework for us to program our React code in. And I also want you guys to add app as well, so that it's going to put all your code inside a folder called app. So this process takes a while, but hold on tight because I promise you guys that it's totally going to be worth it. Okay, so now if you guys see what I see, then you guys are pretty much done. All you have to do is go into src, and then I want you guys to delete these files here because they're just basically junk folders that help with some testing purposes, but for this series, we're not going to need them at all. So there we go. And then in our index.js, all you have to do is delete report web vitals here, and then delete its import. Okay, and then we're going to type mpn start, and that is going to start our React app. And there we go, guys. That is our super duper cool GigaChad React app. So if you guys still have any questions, feel free to let me know. In the next video, we're going to go over React components, which is basically the entire point of using React over regular HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So yeah, that's really going to be exciting, and I'll see you there.